Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams using a code. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and make sure you have opened up the Microsoft Teams application. After opening up Microsoft Teams, guys, and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can see you have all the options that you can use for using Microsoft Teams, such as activity, chats, viewing your teams, and so on. So guys, to enter a meeting with a code is very easy and you only need a couple of steps. The first thing you're going to do, guys, is go right here to the left side of the screen and select this option right here called calendar. Go ahead and select calendar, guys, and as you can see now this will open up this new page with a calendar where you can see all of your scheduled meetings. As you can see, I currently do not have any meetings scheduled, but guys, if you want to join a meeting with a code, all you have to do, guys, is just go right here in the upper right corner where it says join with an ID. So guys, go ahead and click this button right here called join with an ID, and here, guys, you can go ahead and type in the meeting ID that you have, that somebody sent you. After typing in the meeting ID, if there is a passcode, you can type it in right here. If there is not, then all you have to do is just go ahead and click the join meeting button that will open up after you type in the meeting ID. So yeah, guys, just do that and you'll be able to join in no time. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.